Hey guys, what is going on? Today I wanted to share with you the overall economy stock market update with recent inflation data release as well as consumer price index. I'll also share with you one company stock that has the potential for significant bullish runs that will continue, right? I'll share with you what my price target of this company is, what this company is working on, and I'll share with you overall source data around this hot stock at this time. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd really appreciate you hitting the thumbs up and subscribing to All I See Is W, where the goal of this channel is to gain on positive proceeds and lead with an altruistic mindset. Now let's begin. Today overall with the release of inflation data, we're beginning to see overall improvements with the stock market, even though last week it's been just bleeding out. However, year to date, we're seeing bullish signals, right? Where we're gaining on positive margins to take away the beatdown from 2022 recession, right? Most of you are wondering, are we out of the woods when it comes to the recession? I'm thinking that we potentially are going to see positive days in the months to come in 2023, and that here's an opportunity for investors to really take advantage on discounted stocks, especially with the marginal increase from the Federal Reserve, the reduction in unemployment rate, as well as just seeing inflation being combated right now with monetary and fiscal policy. Now, one company I wanted to share with you is Palantir, right? This ticker is PLTR. I'll deep dive into the overall technicals and fundamentals, and I'll share with you my price target and source information on this hot stock that we're noticing in the market. Now, as you can see, we're looking at Palantir today. The company's share price hovered above 21%. I mean, I've been monitoring this company for several days now, and it's great to see positive runs here, right? I mean, it was hovering at the low sevens and it just jumped up. And now it's establishing the base at $8, $9. And the question is whether it will continue to run. Palantir is a public American company that really focuses on big data analytics, where it's focused on all different sectors, working with the government, using artificial intelligence. We know that AI right now, it's the name of the game. We're beginning to hear a lot more of that, right? So we're wondering what is going to be the potential price forecast. If we zoom out here, right, on a 1 year range, it's down by about 35%, right? If we zoom out even further, at one point back in 2021, this hovered around the $35 range. The question is, can it reach its 52-week high of $15? I definitely think that this will easily be broken, at least at a minimum, reaching $15. Now, even though we're looking at hindsight, I definitely do see in the year 2023, this can catapult up to the $26 at a minimum, right? We know that it's gaining traction today just with volume of shares traded. There was millions of shares being traded. And let's go ahead and let's understand what Palantir is all about. So we're looking at the overall website here where the CEO is Alex Karp, and their mission is that we believe in augmenting human intelligence, not replacing it. As you can see here, this company website, it's really driven based on engineering of softwares. And when you look down here, these are all of the different sectors that Palantir is involved with here, right? In supply chain, telecommunications, health and life sciences, intelligence, defense, edge AI, energy, auto racing, even in the automotive industry. So you see that it's in a wide array of different sectors, and for this reason I believe that it's only going to add value and build on its overall share price. Now, just to share with you some news around the shares of Palantir in terms of its first profitable quarters. Now, shares of Palantir, it popped into extending trading Monday after the company released fourth quarter earnings that beat analyst estimates on top of bottom lines. And this company, it actually reported first quarter of positive income at 31 million, and now the CEO has noted with this result, Palantir is profitable. This is a significant moment for us and our supporters, right? With its EPS, it was 4 cents adjusted versus 3 cents, which was expected from analysts. Its revenue was actually at 509 million versus the expected analyst target of 502. So obviously you see that there's just huge growth with margins. Its revenue increasing at about 18% year over year with commercial revenue growth of 12%. So this software company is really adding value to the government, and that there's going to just be continual increase with customer partnerships in the government sector. So overall, I do see that this company will just continue to grow with its share price, and the short squeeze is here to happen, and this company is only going to continue to evolve as a software driven company. Now here we're looking at an article from Yahoo Finance on Palantir, and the article expects in 2023 this company will be the first profitable year overall for Palantir, seeing AI driving growth. We hear a lot about AI, and I definitely think this is really going to complement Palantir overall, as we see the company's revenue increasing year over year. And Palantir is actually known for working with the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency, which has clinched more defense business following Russia's war with Ukraine, selling software to visualize an army's position and help enterprises vet their supply chains to reduce costs. So in terms of standardizing and streamlining the supply chains, Palantir has it all. And the fact that Palantir is working with the CIA, right, with all of the external changes in the environment, with the wars happening in Ukraine and Russia, this is only going to continue to build on Palantir's portfolio. Overall, when it comes to price forecasts, I believe that in 2023, Palantir can break through the $30 share price range. That's my perspective. Now, if you're new to this channel and you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more related content. Thank you.